down for number 20. Now it's only been a 30 go, Pepper, go, down 30 minute 40, down 40 minute 40, then 50, now 50 pounds on a bit, 50 pounds on a bit, then 15, 50 pounds on a bit, 15 pounds on a bit, 50,000, 60,000, 50 pounds on a bit, 60, 55, 55, 55, 4, 55,000, 55,000, 50,000, 55, 25, 25, 50,000 on a bit, 25, 50,000 on a bit, 25, you want to make it 25, 52, 55,000 on a bit, 5, and 2, 5, 7, 5, 57, 5. Yes or no? 60. You're all out. Now everybody down 60. Now 57, 5. It down. Everybody goes $60,000. Anybody want to bet $60,000? 60,000. Ground up, restored, 0 miles. Dick Busby built engine, complete nut and bolt, and over 90% original parts. 57.5. Anybody want $60,000? Last and final call. And thank you, Blake, but the bid goes on. Closer to $70,000.
A lot left. One.